Autodesk PLM 360 provides functionality within its workflow engine for customers that need to meet certain criteria. One option is for digital signature on approvals in workflow transitions. The digital signature option is applied to workflow transitions and will require a user to re-enter their credentials using their PLM 360 password. In addition to digital signatures, administrators can configure mandatory comment entry to capture intent, providing a complete audit trail on the record. Let's take a closer look at how we can apply digital signatures and comment configuration to an existing workflow. First, let's examine a workflow on an existing change order. There are three transitions here that we'll use to showcase these workflow options: Submit to CCB, Final Approval, and Final Change Order Implementation. Next, let's take a look at the settings necessary within the workflow editor. Next, from the Administrations area in the Workspace settings, locate the workspace and select the Workflow editor. On the very first transition, we'll go in and for the comments, in this case, we'll disable the comments, allowing us to just pass right through without having to put in a comment in the field. For the next transition, double-click, and we'll set the comments area to be mandatory or required. And for the final approval, for the final change order implementation, we'll go in and edit and turn on password is required. Save your workflow, and let's return to the front. Now with our settings all configured, let's go and test out our new workflow. So let's test out our new workflow. So we'll submit to Change Control Board, and we see that we don't have to put in any comments. Next, we'll move down to Final Approval. Remember, this is where we said that comments were mandatory. In fact, if we try to save the step right here, it's saying that comments are required, so we'll put something in there. And finally, down here where it says Change Order Implemented, this is going to require a password for me to see it all the way through. So I'll put in my Autodesk ID password and save the step. And now the ECO is complete.